Welcome to TLH Patterns. This is Pradeepa. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this pretty flower, which can be used to decorate your accessories like hats, bags, or headbands. Use any yarn and a suitable hook to make this flower, and depending on the size of your hook and the yarn that you used, the size of the flower will vary. Let's begin by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, wrap the yarn around your finger and then slide it out of your finger. You will have the short end of the yarn to the left and the longer side of the yarn towards your right. Now insert hook into the ring and pull yarn. Then make one chain and work 6 single crochets into the ring. You can tighten the ring by pulling the short end of the yarn. You have 6 single crochets in the first round, and in the next round you are going to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. There are 12 stitches in the second round. Now let's start making the petals. No need to join at the end of the round. Make 6 chains. Make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, a half double crochet in the next chain, then double crochet in the next 3 chains. Then make a single crochet in the next single crochet of the second round. Then make 6 chains, single crochet in the second chain from hook, half double crochet in next chain, and double crochets in the next 3 chains. Then single crochet in the next single crochet of round 2. Just repeat this around. You will have 12 petals. Chain 6, single crochet in second chain, half double crochet in next chain, and double crochet in the next 3 chains. Single crochet in next single crochet. Continue this around and your flower is done. You can sew beads at the center of the flower. The flower needs blocking after completion.